New Year Resolutions from 2025, Part 2. Things to happened on this previous year. Acquaintance to working. Stages to implied facts or reality making that symbolize to function. April 2024 Date Error Update. In fact, the month of April 2024 will be updated app or release app that will be error header. See this date and month or day for more information. Random sound in daily. Random sound factors effectively. Seized infobox templates. Seize your infobox templates accordingly. For more Wikipedia's editing tools, new settings are fact without any revert or undo revision. Watching videos on rainy days are everywhere. This topic will be watch history is ongoing. Try to the watching videos in the situation. Decision to watch app in game. Watching tabs website interested on visited indirectly. Play games in every day. Play horror games are daily survival pranks and stingy. Wishing a happy new year from Factory Reset in 2025.